it's Lisa here from Active Domestics. I want to remind you about how a vacuum cleaner works. Now, a lot of people don't do enough maintenance for their vacuum cleaner, and so they find their vacuum cleaners don't last. Well, surprise, surprise, it doesn't last usually because you aren't doing the correct amount of maintenance. This particular vacuum cleaner, which I have here, what is it? It's an Electrolux. It has 3 different filters. It has like a catcher filter, it has a filter that I need to wash, usually about once a month because I use my vacuum cleaner a lot, and then it has another filter that I need to go to like Godfrey's or whatever and buy a replacement for. A paper filter, it usually costs about $40 or $50. But if you don't maintain your vacuum cleaner, it's not going to work properly. The other thing is, this canister here, here's the full line here. It's not fill it right up to the top like you do when you're using the bags. It is simply fill it to the fill line, because your vacuum cleaner works by having air circulate around the motor. When you overfill it or have dirty filters, the air can't flow and circulate like it's meant to in order to keep the machine cool and suck like it's meant to. So, you know, stop abusing your vacuum cleaner, keep the filters clean, keep this emptied, you know, empty it after every use, particularly if you're cleaning for someone else, you know, you want to empty it after every use. And when you do empty it, don't just empty this dust directly into a rubbish bin so that when the next person comes along and they put something else in the bin, they'll get dust come right up at them. You need to put it into a plastic bag or go and put it into a compost heap, something like that. Put it into another bag, then put it into a larger bin or your wheelie bin or whatever. So think about those things, look after your vacuum cleaner, and I'm sure that it's going to last many years.